Ooh, what did you get? What do you think it is?
It's a rubber chicken.
It's a rubber chicken. It's a tank.
Open it up, Ray. Just rip it.
It's
Rip
a
it.
tank.
Rip it.
Connor, let him do it. You have yours.
Ooh.
Aiden's turn.
Who's next?
Aiden.
White! It's white! White one.
Kaya紧张你了。
No, just let him open it. Why are you doing that? You're telling him what it is. Alex, you were telling him what it is. It was a tape. I want it.
Now hold on. Who's next after? Who's
I
the
think
next
it's Alex.
youngest?
It's Alex, right?
Alex. Look it up, you. Oh. I like your Bionicle. I think I like this one. I want to get that. Wait, let me see it. Look at that. Ooh, ready? Oh, that's my massive one.
What?
That was the one that was missing.
I always want that.
Of course.
This is having such a hard time. Why?
Because I wrapped it with super glue.
Oh, there you go. Whoa. What do you think, Aiden? I like the blue one. Jeez. All right.
Okay, Alex, your turn. What is it?
Star Wars shoes.
Really?
There's something else in there.
What else is in there? Ooh, what's that? Okay, Connie, you're next, I guess. I think you have a rubber chicken. Yeah, no?
Star Wars. That guy.
Big
That
guy.
guy?
I got a card. I didn't want this.
Steiner. Who is it? Who is it? Let's see.
It's not a good guy.
You like bad guys, though. You do. Embo.
My turn.
Okay, your turn.
Embo. Come here, Connor.
Yeah.
Connor.
Okay.
Connor.
I want to find out my
Connor.
card.
Connor.
Ooh, what's that?
Star Wars shoes.
Nice.
Light up.
Connor. Here.
Oh.
Do they light up? Yeah.
We need a pair.
Very cool.
Now, test them out and see if they
Oh yeah, they light up.
like them.
Every time it's step ones.
That's right.
I want the same one.
He has old sneakers because every pair of shoes he puts on.
Make this
You repair the shoes?
one.
His shoes are